Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and it's day 13 of my Tag a Day November. For today's tag, I used this new stamp set that I just recently got from Sunny's Studio called Penguin Party. How adorable are those little penguins? I used the Sunny's Studio Joyful Holiday cardstock papers, bright and cheery, and I used the Mini Matin Tag 2 for my tag today. And there it is with that adorable penguin and the present. And I put some stickles on there so it's got some sparkle to it. Just some red cardstock on the back, some ribbon from my stash. And I thought it turned out super adorable. I forgot to show that I did use the Stampin' Up! Stitched Shapes framelets. I don't think that they are available anymore, but they are definitely a set that I grab for often. Anyways, there is my tag for day 13. I hope that you are enjoying this series still. I am still having the best time ever. And I will see you again tomorrow for day 14. Thanks so much and have a great day.